JORD's Forester is getting its first mod aside from these mud flaps, which are the same ones Jordan has on his Forester. And what is this, a catback?
Yeah.
What catback is it?
Spec-D.
Spec-D. So, is this a high flow cat? Or what's this? Resonator. How much was it?
$150.
$150. Here's what we're looking at right now. I'm also going to attempt to flashy dip my wheels, so we'll see how that goes.
Yo, we converted the truck to E15, an octane booster. Yo, I don't know, but that E15 made the truck up to 18 miles a gallon.
That's mine.
It's mine. You gave it to me. You gave it to me.
You work at Noodles and Company?
Yeah.
Sick.
You want some noodles?
Okay.
I don't know any things they got there, but I think they serve noodles.
Sup, C-Man?
Oh, it's the codeine cowboy.
What's up?
Even though you probably can't hear anything because of the...
The name's Blaze.
Ew, equal length pattern.
Sup, it's Blaze. Just bought this Creed visor at Goodwill. $2. No, it's an upgrade.
Crotch cannon. Crotch. Ah! Ah! Hold on. Let me light a firework. Hey, you like my crotch cannon? Come here.
That open wastegate though. So we got those bolts off. Yep, 2 broken bolts. They had like springs and it was really bad, but we got it off.
Oh,
so
God, it was sketchy.
now I think we just have to undo the hangers and drop it. Should be good. That's definitely the hardest part. Taking off a exhaust for the first time off a car that's been in Wisconsin.
13 years?
Yeah. So that should have been the hardest part.
Yeah.
But you never know.
Way that was coming on.
No.
No.
That thing just snapped. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Exhaust gone wrong!
In the hood, kissing prank V3.
Oh no! Subaru stealing exhaust and the hood gone wrong. Gone sexual.
Exhaust, 1,000-mile-an-hour
really
Subaru. Gone sexual in the hood prank.
Oh my God, you're alive!
How are you getting it home?
Break it down more.
Yeah, we're gonna break it down. You gotta start the camera.
Wait, did you put it on?
No, it's just straight pipe now.
Camera.
All right,
What?
turn on. Give it a little rev.
What the fuck?
That's so loud.
All right. Stop.
Yeah.
That sounds like the heat shields.
Yeah, that's just vibration.
It sounds Subaru now.
That's so loud.
That's too much. You look like chubbier.
Well, it's not even rumble. That was just like
There's no
The
way
exhaust.
you're sneaking home.
Playbook, coach.
the exhaust on the heat
You
shields.
are the coach. It has a silencer, Gavin.
Yeah. So the flanges are at different angles for the mid pipe or whatever. So
I burned my finger.
he burnt his finger. But the axle back will work, so we're just going to be doing the axle back today. But eventually we'll get the flange welded to the right angle.
No, it'll fit. It'll fit. I just got finished drilling out that hole.
It's been fucking. Never mind. Stop.
It's been a few days. Uncle Kevin made this adapter. So basically what happened is they accidentally sent him a 02 WRX exhaust when the 04 is what works with this Forester. We gave up that one day, but the exhaust is already up on hangers and stuff. We just have to put this adapter in.
Kill myself. Man.
The exhaust was also 2 inches short, so if you have this year Forester and you want to put
Don't. Just don't. Just
Kill yourself.
Wait, okay, no.
8 days after the last one.
Something like that. Something like that. Never buy eBay.
It's actually 7.
It sounds better than it did when we put it on.
Nice Honda, bitch.
Sounds way better than Robert's.
It sounds way better than it did before.
Actually, that's not Robert's car anymore.
Aw, don't do that on the fucking channel, Cameron. It sounds a lot better, but it wants to. It sounds like it wants to backfire. So I think.
Oh, it
just
will
take
backfire.
The, take the silencer out. Right
Silencer
now.
out, it'll backfire.
And my toolbox is actually in my car.
Yeah. It's like.
I don't want to be too loud.
Alright, you gotta do the cock test.
Cock test.
Yeah, put them on.
Spicy boy is back again.
He's not here though.
Oh, crisp. That's so good.
That was good.
That sounds so much better than Robert's old car.
You know what? Here's 20 bucks. We were gonna wait for your birthday, Jared, but really we're gonna do it now. Here you go, buddy. And close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Days are the same. You keep the station. Save you the rain.
It's definitely not playing on this speaker. I think I blew it.
Are you gonna do it for Dale?
Let her rip tater shit. Yeah, my left speaker is blown. There's nothing playing out of it. Jared, it's blown. I'm not kidding.
Cover's blown.
All right, ready?
No, that's
Ready? Nope. Go! What are you doing?
I'm a guy who lost his left speaker. I'm fucking pissed.
you guys enjoyed those exhaust clips. We tried to get as many different kinds that we could, so if someone is watching this that is interested in the Spec-D exhaust for the WRX, Impreza, Forester, whatever, that they could really hear it to see if it's an exhaust that they'd like to go with. But it does kind of suck that video can't like really showcase exhaust sounds like really well, because it sounds okay. Well, it actually sounds pretty good in the video, but it sounds 100 times better in person. It's so crisp, like it's so good. And Jared only has a stock headers. He doesn't even want to do like unequal headers because it's already super loud and honestly perfect. So if you're looking for like a mid-pipe catback for your WRX, Impreza, Forester, I definitely recommend this one. A nice thing that has going for it is it's only 150 bucks, and the quality of the exhaust itself is really good. And also, thank you for 600 subscribers. It means the world to me that you guys enjoy my videos, and I love making them for you guys. And something that I never said in a video, when I first started with this whole build and started making car videos, is my goal was to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I really think that we can still do that. So if you're new, please subscribe, drop a like if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.